Oh wow, this is a rough day. You power your touchscreen on, and you got a blue screen. It says, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info, and then you can restart. And then it's going to change the screen, and it's not going to start. There, now this screen comes up. So now, you plug a keyboard in. You need a USB keyboard, just any keyboard with a cord on it that plugs into a USB port. Plug it into the USB port on the bottom of the touchscreen. And then we're going to hit F8. Now we have startup settings. And we go down through disable driver signature enforcement. So use number keys or function keys F1 through F9. So we're going to hit F7. So this is all I need to do? I don't need to hit...
Absolutely. It does everything else.
Let's just start right after.
Oh, yeah.
So there we are. It's running. That's all you have to do. Is when you get the blue screen, hit F8. When the other menu comes up, hit F7. And it starts right up like it should. So since I've been playing with this screen, I restarted it doing some testing, and it comes up here. Well, because of some setting changes I did earlier on, or that were done to this screen with testing some stuff, it will not go past this blue screen. So if you end up in the position where you get a blue screen of death, and it will not go past that blue screen, what you need to do is cycle the power and press F12 twice a second. Just hit F12 till this menu comes up. Then drop down to enter setup, enter, go over to save and exit, go down to...
We did, Windows Boot Manager. There you go.
There, like that. Now, press F8 for startup settings, and then press F7. And now you can start your dryer and you can run it. You're good to go. If you turn the power off, you will have to go through that same steps to get the program to load, to get it to run. So what we're gonna do is, since we have the blue screen of death on this screen, we have the L7996 part number here. It is the image from 8 of 2018. So it's just a USB. So we're going to start out by inserting the USB in the bottom of the touchscreen. We have a keyboard already attached to the touchscreen. So I'm going to turn the power switch on and hit F12. And I'm going to hit F12 twice a second until we get our menu pop up for startup options. There. Now we go down to USB, flash disk, 1100 partition 1. Depending on which version of touchscreen you have, if you have the BL1, this menu might look a little different, but you're still going to go to the USB flash disk 1100. It'll be worded a little different, but if you're looking for the USB flash disk 1100, you'll find it. And we hit enter. And now the screen will start loading the files from the USB, and we will do the official way of fixing the blue screen of death. Okay, then we hit yes on here, and we hit yes on here, and now it will format the screen and do what it needs to do. Okay, now we hit, it says imaging complete, remove USB flash drive, and click OK to restart. So we remove the keyboard and the USB, and then we hit OK. After an image, you end up with a screen like this. New out-of-box Quadratouch Pro. Now we install a USB with the software on, 4.02 on this one, and we hit install software. There. We have a communication error. You want to get done? Network repair utility. Ready next step. Ready next step. Assign network adapter names. Remove the USB. Assign dryer connection static IP. Initial configuration complete. We want to go to setup internet. Whether or not you have internet, you want to go in here. Leave DNS alone. Go to network adapter settings. Network adapter 1. We have a 35 metric, so we want to hit that. That'll fix itself. Okay, so now we have everything right. And there we are, so we're going to hit reset. Okay, now it should automatically pop up for a dryer model. I'm going to hit reset. See, there we go. Now we hit continue. Mixed flow, 2024, 32 foot, 17 tier, conveyor unload, 4x4 static sampler, soft start, gravity fill. There we have it. Done. Now we go to tools, we go to update tools, we hit disable Windows Update. We go to tools, We go to connectivity tools, we hit update security certificates. Restart required, we hit the restart required. We go to tools, we're just going to make sure we got everything correct. So we're going to go in and set everything that needs to be set. We're going to hit bushel calendar, manual calibration since it's a new dryer, 2024 or newer. Punch in 80, otherwise we just hit calculate ratio. Go back. We go to, I'll let connectivity tools go for now. System tools. That's all good. Our time, I believe, is good. Actually, our time is messed up, so we need to change that. Need to add 1R. Then system tools is good. Shutdown tools. We're gonna hit this plenum outer range. And then we're going to, that should be good. Update tools is all good. Before we go into settings, we're going to shut this down and restart it due to my security certificates and my Windows updates. There now, cycle the power.